Hi beautiful people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Yekum, and in today's video guys, we'll be doing this simple, easy, beautiful hairstyle. So guys, this is my hair. So I'm just starting off with freshly washed hair, and I oiled it with some cream as well. So this hairstyle is pretty easy and you can do it for any event, and easy, cheap, and really just keep on watching guys and you will see what I do. So I'll start up by just putting my hair in one big bun. I'll just tie it with the rubber, pack it with the rubber band, and then I'll start putting my gel. So when I put the gel, this is the gel I'm going to be using. I'll first put this hard gel. It's kind of a wax. Yes, it's looking very funny and white, but after some time it's gonna disappear, and I'll put some hair oil as well, so it's not gonna be anything. So if you're doing this style with me, make sure you put in a generous amount of the hair wax or hair gel, but in this video I'll be using the hair wax and the hair eco styler gel as well. So when I put in the hair wax and I go ahead and I brush it. You should be brushing it to lay everything in place, and as I'm done brushing, I secure it with the small extension, and then I continue to put my gel. Easy peasy guys, this hairstyle is very easy, so I really love it. So keep on watching to see how far I go. When I'm done securing it properly, I go on with my eco styler gel and I put a generous amount. Yeah, I just make sure everything is sleek and easy. So as I put in some eco styler gel, I brushed it down and I secured it. Properly. So I added the mousse because I like to add mousse. The mousse just makes everything lay down so neat, so that's why I always put a mousse, but it's optional. If you like to use it, that's okay, but I always use a mousse. And when everything has been laid and sleek, I go ahead and I tie everything to make it more sleek. That's a secret guys, to make everything sleek. Just tie your hair with any scarf, and then you let it sit and dry properly before we go to the next step. So the extension I'll be using for this video will be the Darling extension. So what I do is I'll just go ahead and I open the packet, and then I'll remove a small section and keep it at side because I'm going to use the section later to cover up my hair. So what I do is I just remove it from the rubber band, because in the packet there is two, so I just put both of them together and then remove the smaller section and I start to braid. So just keep on watching guys. As you can see, I'm braiding it. I'm not braiding it very tight because I want something which is kind of having the butterfly effect. So That's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm just trying to show you because I don't have anyone to hold it, so that's why I had to secure it in the window. So you do something like this. Okay, so I'm done braiding the extension. I just fluff it out a little bit, and then I'll quickly do my makeup before I come and attach it. My makeup is done, my hair is dry, laid, everything is in place, and I'm going to attach my extension on my hair. As you can see, my hair is showing, so I have to use the smaller piece I left. So make sure you keep a smaller piece so that you can cover the hair properly. So when you're done rubbing the hair, you're done covering your natural hair, this is going to be it, and this is going to be the hairstyle. If you like, you can add accessories. I was just putting a bobby pin there so I can secure it properly, but it's optional. If you like, you can put, if you like, you cannot put. So I put just one, so you can just go do whatever you want to do. If you want to wrap it, if you want to leave it like the long braided, then it's fine, but I prefer this side than the long braided. So it's a free wall, it's a creative wall, so this is the final look. Just do what you like to do. This is how I do mine, and it's good. So you can put this for any event, maybe school, work, you know, just it's really easy. You can achieve this look in less than 10 minutes. So guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you will be trying something like this. Every product that I used in the video, I will leave it in my comment, in my description box, so that if you wanna purchase exactly the same products I use, then you can go ahead and purchase it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.